Hello everybody, it's me, Billy, again. I'm out magnet fishing with my 1,800 pounder one-sider. Just a bunch of junk. But this little gatey, he was attracted to me. The little gator right over here. He's went under now. But he came over here because of all the disturbance and the noise. Can you see him? There he is. Now I can see him. That little blob. There he goes. Ah, lost him. Damn. I keep wanting to drop my phone. He's cute. He's only about 3.5 feet. Just a little cutie. Ow, 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 ow. I did do that, and he came even closer. He came right up to the wall. But as soon as I moved, he went under. He's like, oh crap, a human. Trying to get the focus on the gator. He's a cutie. But yeah, I'm out magnet fishing. I wish he'd go away because I don't want to throw the magnet and hit him. But yeah, well, let me get this, pan it back out. Anyway, I'm at the bridge right here at Lock 7. Went to the doctor's earlier, and he rewrapped my foot, or my ankle, because I do have a bad sprain, and there's still a lot of swelling, and he's wanting to get another x-ray, he said, so, or another MRI, actually, of it, instead of the x-ray, MRI. It shows things better, he says, so, which it does, and, the gator went under. He said there's something else going on there, most likely, because when he pushed in on certain spots, it only hurt in one place. And he said, yep, there's something going on right there. We must have missed that. Oh my gosh, look at that. Now that's a little gator. That's even a tinier gator than the other one. That thing's only 2 feet long. Oh my God, he's so cute. The baby. He's a baby. I can't stop shaking. Damn it. He's right in front of that grass. I don't know if you can see him or not. But he's like right in the grass zone where it's reflecting. Jeez. He's just a little one. He's tinier than the other one was. The other one's about almost 4 feet. He's like barely 2. He just got a, look at him, he's got a head that long. He's tiny. Yeah, he's got a head that long. Couldn't tell if you could see that from the other one. Just a little baby. There must be a nest nearby, I guess, or that's pretty new. It's probably about a yearling, maybe. He's pretty little, so he might even not be a yearling yet. Anyway, I'm gonna go for now. Maybe I can get something a little bit later. Later, peeps. Peace.